The Citizen Science Lab is a hands-on laboratory for the inquisitive mind and the science enthusiast. We create science pipelines for diverse and marginalized communities through hands-on, life-changing STEM experiences. When you walk into the Citizen Science Lab, what you'll see is very colorful, non-institutionalized laboratory setting, something that is comfortable and doesn't feel like an institution of learning, feels like a place where you're gonna have fun. We work with students from Pittsburgh Public Schools, but we also work with a number of the other charter schools in the area. All of these schools work with us to create these partnerships where when we are ready to implement our new programs, we just work with all the schools and organizations to make sure that we can get the students the experiences that they need. The major challenge for us was telling the stories of our success. We tell a lot of stories about how we're doing really well right now and the students who are in our programming in present time. But we also have been here for 7 years. 7 years is a long time to produce a lot of scientists. So we need to capture that. And we also need to make sure that we are in a place where we are financially sustainable and develop a nice solid plan for that. We really do like to focus on trying to make sure that the stuff that they're learning is applicable to real life. And then what that does is that changes their trajectory. We now have students who are juniors and seniors that are about to graduate with a STEM degree. These students would not have considered it prior to walking through the doors of the Citizen Science Lab.